Cocoa update. This is a perfect example of how commodity prices move on supply, demand and positioning. Cocoa is trying to bounce. March ICE New York is slightly up and ICE London is also up. But zoom out and we've had a month-long slide, hitting multi-year lows. The bounce looks driven by technical short covering as prices got extremely oversold. So why is this pressure happening? Well, there's two big reasons. Too much supply and weakening demand. StoneX is projecting large global surpluses into 2026, and International Cocoa Organization says global cocoa stocks are up year on year. Demand is the other punch. Consumers are pushing back on expensive chocolate. Barry Cobalt reported a big drop in cocoa division volumes, and grind data shows the slowdown is real. The European Cocoa Association and the Cocoa Association of Asia both reported weaker grindings, while Confectioners Association showed North America was basically flat. If cocoa stays weak, brands like Mr. Beast's Feastables probably gets a little bit of breathing room on ingredient costs. But if we get a sharp rebound, suddenly those bars don't just taste expensive, they become expensive. On the supply side, growing conditions in West Africa look better. Tropical General Investments Group expects a stronger February to March harvest in Ivory Coast and Ghana. And Mondelez says pod counts are running above average. My takeaway from this is in the short term we can see sharp bounces because the market is crowded and oversold. But fundamentally, unless demand improves or supply tightens faster than expected, rallies may get sold into. There's two wildcards to watch. Producers holding back beans at low prices, and also tightening coming from Nigeria where exports and production volume are trending lower. If you're a buyer or seller in cocoa or adjacent soft commodities, this is exactly when you need a trader who watches the signals daily. Contact Hinna Global Trading. We'll help you structure the deal, source the right counterparties, and execute shipments with clean documentation. Contact Hinna Global Trading today.